everyone, welcome back to my YouTube video, and in this quick video I'll show you how to make a snap with text and stickers to make it fun and creative. First of all, open Snapchat and then capture a snap. Then tap on the T icon in the top right. Type anything you want, like a caption, emoji or message. You can change the font style, move the text around and resize it by pinching it with 2 fingers. Next, tap on the sticker icon. It looks like a square with a folded corner. Here you can pick bit emojis and then GIF emojis or fun Snapchat stickers. Just drag them where you want to release them, or even stack multiple stickers. You can drag them wherever you want, just like that. Now you can mix text and stickers together. For example, place a sticker next to your caption or add animated GIFs to make your snap pop. Just like that, you can make it, and that's it. Now you know how to add a text and stickers to your snaps. Have fun customizing and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Snapchat tips. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.